That was awesome with DS diving with the boat Sunrise. It's October 5th, 2023. Here's your after video. I was going to put a zinc on, but I think somebody might have measured the shaft wrong on it. So I got the wrong zinc for it at the moment in time. But I'm going to get that in the video, get that all marked up, showing the video what size the actual shaft is. Let's go have a look at it. Looks to me it's a 7/8 that I read on the calipers here. It's also in the video, so can't mess that up. Once again, always a pleasure. Thanks for choosing GS Diving.